So let's meet the Hotel Murter team and family Markov, which runs Hotel Murter. My dad, Ante, was the creator of all this. He started the hotel and polyclinic idea back in 2015. Unfortunately, he died of cancer in 2018, but he left us a lot to build on. My mother, Vanja, she's a chef. She makes amazing all kinds of breads and cakes and sweets and all that, and she's perfectly good in fish dishes, meat dishes, and vegetarian also. My brother Andrija, he's also a chef. He specialized in fish dishes. He worked prior to the hotel, he worked in a lot of fish restaurants, but he knows to cook everything, but specialized in fish. My sister Jelena, she works at the reception with her boyfriend who joined us last year. They run the reception office and they've become very good at that. Jelena's boyfriend, Paško, he's an amazing guy, perfect communication skills. You can talk with him, all day, every day about various topics. He's a very funny guy, interesting. So that is what you need at the reception. My sister Jelena, sometimes she's a little bit shy. She will kill me for saying that, but just so you know. But she's amazing at the reception. Not just the reception, she does everything from cleaning rooms, preparing breakfast, everything. We all do everything, but that's how it is in a small family business. We also have a younger brother who is 17 now. He helps around in the kitchen doing the dishes and everything. And me, I started at the reception, but when dad died, I switched to taking care of marketing, finance, reservations, and all that. So we make all together, we make a perfectly good team, and we would love for you to join us at our hotel in Murter, so you can experience what we have to offer. See you in the next one.